back in the mountains. We are doing Mount Roberts today, 5.2 mile hike, Chewie's birthday hike. A little happy birthday to Chewie. It was his birthday yesterday. So we are gonna do an epic hike with some views because there isn't a cloud in the sky. So it's gonna be exciting. But we just get into the trail. Here we go. Mount Roberts Trail. That's where we'll be going. So 2.6 to the top. Alright. See you guys when we get some views. We're in the southern New Hampshire, in the Lakes region. So we'll see Lake Winnipesaukee and stuff at the top of Roberts. So, exciting. Okay, here we go. Alright, coming up on our first viewpoint. Probably a little over a half mile in. Oh yeah. I'll say it before and I'll say it again. That's why we do it. Oh my gosh. Epic views. Take a few pics. Soak this in. Just off that viewpoint. Put my crampons on, just in case there's some grip when we get to these steep parts right here, but excellent views, no clouds, no wind. It's beautiful. I think we're in store for some good views this hike. That was just a glimpse of the peak. We're in for a treat today. So, alright, see you guys in a little bit. Epic view time. Just made our way up a steep incline. Flattened out a bit, catch our breath. And looks like we'll have one more push to the top. Not a bad hike at all. Fairly easy. I've been training for the 4,000s the past couple weeks. With only a handful yet left. I want to knock off a few in the winter and just have a few left for the spring and summer. So anyway, it's like another little incline here, and flattens out a bit, and then another incline. So all right, I'll see you guys at the peak. Just getting up on the ridgeline at work, kind of. Another viewpoint. The Chewie GoPro going. Fun day. Alright, I think once we get up on the ridgeline, we're gonna have some good views, so I'll pop the GoPro back on when we get there. We're gonna be coming back down this way too, so oh yeah, it's gonna look nice on the way back. This is oh wow, hell yeah. Whew. We're getting there. Getting there. There's the big man. He's getting excited. He loves the views too. Come on, bub. Oh boy. Hi, Bubba. Beautiful day. I'm just getting up to the top of the ridgeline now. Epic views. No clouds. Loving it. Oh, just passed a few people that are coming down from the summit with beautiful news that I love to hear. I'm gonna have the summit all to myself. And they said, I hope you like solitude. That's why we do it, isn't it? That's why we do it. Solitude, quiet, and the epic views. This is nice. Alright. Pretty close to the top, I believe. See you guys in a few. Whew. Took a little breather to turn around, look at the trail, and what a trail. Packed down. The wingman up there waiting for me, giving me that pathetic face like to hurry up. Let's go, Dad. I'm coming. Damn mountain goat. Alright. Close to the peak. Onward and upward. Not that bad though, this is nice. I think the last couple weeks of hardcore workout have boosted up my incline a lot. It's all I've been doing on the treadmill on the stairs. It's just max incline. So, prepping for the whites. Oh, after being on that ridgeline and total exposure, no trees, we're right back into it. It feels like we're in the evergreen forest. So, I thought the peak was a little closer, but a little gully here of trees, and then we'll probably get back up into the open for the 360 views again. So until then, GoPro's getting put away. To the top. All right, coming up on the peak. Love sharing my views with everyone as I get there. Oh. Good job, pups. It's another one in the books. Oh, beautiful views. Oh, wow. It's nice. I was seeing the other side the whole way up and just getting to see some of the big ones with the snow on top. Breathtaking. We got it all to ourselves. Huh, Bubs? We got it all to ourselves. Alright, well, we're gonna have a snack. I'm gonna take a few pics of those mountains right there, and we're gonna get back on the trail, head back down. But we're definitely gonna soak this in for a few minutes. So, see you guys back on the trail. Huh, Papa? Leaving the peak and it's heading back down. I think we'll I'll take a video of you know, that nice area going down the ridge line, and put the Chewie GoPro on, and that's it. We'll call it a day. Beautiful day. Peak to ourselves. Have a nice snack. We're all refueled, ready to go. Oh, I didn't even have any water. You didn't want any either. That's the one good thing about the winter. You're not so dependent on water. Yeah, here we go. We're gonna gully into the woods for about, I don't know, 5 minutes, and then we'll be out on the ridge line again. So I'll see you guys then. Man, these views don't get old. Some of my friends say, it all looks the same, it all looks the same. In a way, yeah, but it's just natural beauty. Love it. And it's not the same. It's a different view every time. And I don't mind. I don't mind one bit. Like a slice of heaven you get to hike on. No, that's what it is for me. Here come some people. Past a couple people admiring Chewie's hiking skills of staying on the trail. He's just a magnet to the trail. It's a beautiful thing. I can keep him off leash, and he just stays on that trail like a sled dog. I guess that's the shepherd and Malamute in him, I guess. But I tell you what, this is one of the better views coming down a mountain. Lake Winnipesaukee. It's really a great sight, but that's about it. I mean, not much more than we can get out of this hike. Give it a I don't like to give anything a 10. I'll give it a 9.5. Easy hike, not too strenuous. Highly recommend. So that's it. So for me and Chewie, happy trails. So we'll see you on the next one, probably the week of February 10th. It'll be a special hike for me. It's my dad's birthday, so I want to do a special hike for him that week. So we got a week and a half, 2 weeks. Get ready. Till then, happy trails. I'll see you guys next time. In search of those epic views. Well, I know I already said my happy trails again, but a little tidbit of information when you do Roberts. You can cut through, see this, it's like a farm building. Well, there's a trail you can cut right through and save yourself probably 0.2 or 0.3 miles of going around in a circle and just cutting straight through. Pretty self-explanatory. You'll see the gates to go through the farm, and you just follow the footprints. I mean, if you go on any busy day, you'll see the tracks. But just a little tidbit of advice if you want to shed a few tenths of a mile off. Cut through the right through the back of the farmhouse, and you'll be golden. All right. Okay. Happy trails.